Welcome to today's video, where we're going to explore one of the most fascinating topics in computer science, the binary representation of a PDF file, and how it can be decoded and previewed. If you've ever wondered what happens behind the scenes when you open a PDF document on your device, or if you're curious about the intricacies of digital file formats, then this video is for you. In today's digital age, PDFs have become an essential part of our daily lives. From sharing documents to reading ebooks, PDFs are everywhere. But have you ever stopped to think about what makes a PDF tick? How does it store information? And how can we decode that information to preview the contents of the file? In this video, we'll delve into the world of binary representation and explore the journey of a PDF file from its encoded state to a decoded and previewable format. We'll discuss the key concepts involved, break down complex ideas into simpler parts, and use examples and analogies to help you understand the material better. So, let's start with the basics. A PDF file is essentially a collection of bytes, which are represented as binary digits, zeros and ones. These binary digits are arranged in a specific pattern to convey meaning, much like how words are composed of letters to form sentences. When a PDF file is created, it undergoes a process called encoding, where the original data is converted into a compressed format using algorithms like Huffman coding or LW compression. This encoded data is then written to a file, which is what we commonly refer to as a PDF document. However, when we want to preview the contents of the PDF file, we need to reverse this process. We need to decode the binary representation back into its original form. This is where the magic happens. The decoding process involves reading the encoded data from the PDF file and applying the inverse operations to retrieve the original information. For instance, if the PDF file uses Huffman coding for compression, the decoder would apply the reverse operation to decompress the data. As we decode the binary representation, we start to see the outlines of the original document take shape. We can begin to identify the structure of the document, including the layout of text and images, as well as the fonts and formatting used. But how do we actually preview the contents of the PDF file? This is where rendering comes into play. Rendering involves taking the decoded data and using it to generate a visual representation of the document on our screen. Think of it like this. Imagine you're trying to rebuild a puzzle from a set of instructions. The encoded binary representation is like the instruction manual, which tells us how to assemble the pieces of the puzzle. As we decode the instructions, we start to see the shape of the puzzle emerge. And finally, when we render the decoded data, we get to see the complete picture. In this case, the contents of the PDF file. So, what are the essential aspects of binary representation that you should take away from this video? Firstly, understand that a PDF file is simply a collection of bytes represented as binary digits. Secondly, appreciate the process of encoding and decoding, which enables us to compress and decompress data efficiently. Finally, recognize the importance of rendering in generating a visual representation of the decoded data. We've explored the fascinating world of binary representation and how it applies to PDF files. We've seen how encoding and decoding work together to enable us to store and retrieve information efficiently, and how rendering brings that information to life on our screen. If you have any questions or topics related to this video that you'd like to discuss further, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, and subscribe to the channel for more content on computer science and technology. Thanks for watching.